Hi folks, it's been a while since I did my last astrophotography. It's because of the North Bay fires and at the same time the weather. But good thing I can still use this day because the moon is actually waxing crescent. So still I have a couple of days to finish my projects. I wasn't really able to finish my project on the, let me save this, but the one I'm trying to finish is this the Wizard Nebula. As you can see, I only have a couple of S2, and for some reason most of those captures that I got are not good, so I'm going to repeat it again tonight. Let's see. um, anyway, I'll continue this later. So I'm just looking at my setup in there with my remote desktop or remote laptop, and we'll continue working on that. All right, folks, I'll continue this later. Hello, folks. I'm trying to continue working on my Wizard Nebula because I missed a lot of the S2, and now I'm continuing working on that. Now this is my guiding. I got a 0.38, 0.39 along those lines, and I already have a couple of integration. This integration seems to be a little bad because of the focusing. I redid my focus. Oh no, it's actually good. And I'm just waiting for the next one. Hopefully my guiding will stay that stable. And the reason why I have, oh, what happened? The reason why I have that problem is when, let me start my PixInsight. And on my PixInsight, here are the data that I have for my Wizard Nebula. All of those S2 frames have some problems. Okay, let's have this apply. Okay, and then restart. Restart, yes. Okay, so I'm hoping, come on. So this was the problem. So if I'm going to add this, I mean, look at the problems on my S2 frames. You see the trailings on the stars. All of those S2 have trailings. All the HA are good. There we go. So, well, not as bad as HA, but there was some trailing. Well, I'm okay with that. Happy with that result. Anyway, going back to here, okay, I think I got, oh, that's basically the result of the detour. Detour, yes, that's basically the result of detour. So look at what we have here. 140, look at the corners. There's a little bit of coma on the corners. Probably I need to do a lot of work on the, it's because of my corrector. I haven't, there you go. You can really see that. It's the spacing on the corrector. So the lower left side has a lot of that problem. We can go to the center of the image and let's see. Uh, okay, that's the nebula. I see some problems on the focusing, but it's not too bad. 100%. Yeah, it's not so bad. Okay, that's the nebula. Stretch it a little bit. Okay, we can see it. All right. Yep. So my guiding stabilized. So that was because of the detour. Anyway, so on my guiding, I'm using an ABX, Celestron ABX, and a 80 mm short tube, Orion short tube, and the guiding camera is the SSAG. Orion SSAG. I got 200, 2500, 2500, deck aggression of 90, and then RA of 90, histories of 10. Anyway, let's go back here. Yeah, it looks good. So probably that's something that I can use now. Anyway, let's look at the CCD inspector. I know there's a lot of problem on my image. Where's my image? Okay, light, continue unregistered. All right, let's look at this today. Measure. I gotta be a very good guiding there. And then let's see the curvature. There you go. It's very clear. Curvature of 38%. Wow, that is huge. Yeah, that's huge. This is kind of difficult to fix because I need some, not only on the platiner but also on the tilt corrector. 38% for curvature. It's too much. Anyway, that's what I got right now. Uh, can't do anything with that. 0.41, so it's holding on. And let's wait for the next image after 23 seconds. Again, I'm just trying to finish my project, which is basically the Wizard Nebula, and it's because that I have a problem on S2. Everything that I got on S2 was problematic because of the stars. You see that stars? That's my HA. Looks really good. Okay, so auto guider is settling. There you go. So that's the result of. Wow, this theater is really affecting it. Come on. All right. Anyway, this is what we got. Frame 16. Why is this so slow? Okay, let's do this. Okay, for optimization. All right. Frame 16. Okay, that's okay. Let's look at the corners, see that there's a huge problem on my flattener. Upper right, lower right, lower left, upper left. So I need to fix my corrector. The spacing, I think I need to, I just need to remove some of the space. Reduce it by 5 mm. Anyway, let's go back here. There you go, I see the nebula. Okay, I'll continue working on this and I'll pause this for now. I'll update you later, guys. Just continuing this, got a very good guiding now, and I got a couple of images now, and I just copied them to my main server, and there you go. This is the HA frame 14. I mean S2 frame 14. There you go. Well, I need to work on the images, I mean stars on the edges. But essentially, that looks better than this guy. Okay, see the difference. Anyway, continuing this again. Here we go. Now guiding is really good. 0.42, 0.43, 0.36. Okay, and that's already the dithering. You see that? Hopefully it will stay that way. And here, there's a little bit of comma, but that should be okay. Alright, we'll pause this again. Hello folks, so just continuing, I already have the finished the S2 for the Wizard Nebula. Now I'm doing the Cast Nebula. So here's the Cast Nebula. I'm just copying this Michael's data here. I mean the coordinates. And here, this is what I have. Now let's go back to that guy. I'm doing autofocusing now. Let's look at, oh, wow, what's happening here? My guiding. Something's definitely wrong in my guiding. Hmm. Alright, so what's happening in my guiding? Anyway, this should be 3009. Okay, at least I got a point 0.06 or 0.7. But my guiding, what? Okay. So it's trying to settle because it's just recalibrated. Anyway, that's good. Looks good. Let's see. Still. Okay, closing in 7. That's okay because the guider is still settling. I reduced my deck aggression to 85. And then 2525. Okay. Now it is starting the integration. First one in HA. And it will take me 3 hours. Okay, let's look at the meridian flip. Come on. Okay, where is the meridian? The meridian. There you go. So what time are going to expect the meridian? Flip up. Okay, 23, around 12. Okay, so around 12, we're going to assume that there will be the meridian flipped. Okay, let's go back. There we go. It's stabilized. It's a 0.39. All right, I'll let this capture images first, and I'll try to process my Wizard Nebula. All right, or let me just copy it and then I'll pause this and then come back. Hello again. So here, this is the result of the first HA or second HA image that I got for the Cast Nebula. Let's see how the focus. Focus is very cool. Well, of course, I'm going to have that problem on the edges. where I'm going to have some comma on the stars. There you go, I see that. Okay, that could be something that I really need to fix. Yep, too much. Anyway, I can crop those in the bottom, but there you go. That's a cast nebula, and that's a white cast star. All right. Um, Going back again, I just copied the um, all the things that I need for processing the Wizard Nebula. All right, let me just pause this again. All right, going back here, I need to do the batch pre-processing, add bias. Okay, before we do that, I just wanna make sure. Yes, process blink. I just wanna make sure that all the images I got from 1015 are all useful. Okay. Uh, no, those things are not good. Those two are not good. Okay, though these two. Let me go back. Okay, that one delete. How am I going to delete this guy? Crap. Anyway, frame 10 is bad. 11 is bad. 2, 3, 3. Okay, so the 10 and 11, I'm not going to include those. Perhaps it's better to just remove it. 10, 11. Delete. Alright, let's proceed. Pre-processing. Let's add the lights. S229. We cannot add this 28 and 29. So let's just delete these guys. Okay. Alright, select all. I got S2. Add bias. Select all. Add darks. Nope. Okay, got a little bit of bias here. Not too much. I mean dark. And I don't have flats, lights, registration image frame. Let's go to the HA 12, 11, 12, output directory, of course processed. Okay, I don't have a flat. Run. Okay, I'm going to pause this again. So while this is processing, I'll just go back here where I'm imaging the cast nebula. Guiding is very good. I'm on 0.44, sometimes 0.3, and I think I'll just finish my video here and then I'll create another video when I'm processing the Wizard Nebula. so that I can also share the workflow that I'm doing with that. Currently, I'm on how many frames now? Fourth frame. All right, folks, see you later. Thanks for watching.